Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is just a reminder to those that are doing the Doll Collab, where we took the same pair of pants and the same shirt that are very simple to sew, and we're going to show these on June 30th. The tutorial, or tutorials, for both the pants and the shirt were aired on my channel on June 7th and 8th. I got him ready for 4th of July. Today I'm pre-recording and it's actually Flag Day. So I got Nicole out in the outfit that I made for Crystal Bailey in a collab that I did on the 17th for a halter top and skirt. And Crystal Bailey couldn't wait to get her night before Christmas outfit back on. So Nicole said, I'll wear it. They're ready for the parade. You can see that articulated dolls look better than the non-articulated dolls holding things. But all the same, they are ready for the USA holidays. Thank you for watching. I cannot wait to see the outfits you make. If you are not part of the collab, you can still be part of the collab. I do have the patterns linked in the first tutorials, June 7th and June 8th, and you do still have time to make an outfit for your kin doll and show it to us on June 30th. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.